Hello and welcome to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free online store in just 10 minutes. You don't need any experience or technical knowledge to create a free online store. With just a few clicks, you can have your own online store up and running in no time. Follow my simple steps and I will show you how to create a professionally looking online store in your own time. Click on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a good video like this. Actually, our goal is to get to 1,500 subscribers before December, and I know with you subscribing to our channel, we are going to get there soon. Congratulations for those that have subscribed. I really appreciate you guys. Kudos to you all. You are keeping us moving and running. Now let's get to this video. Alright, the first thing to do is to type the name of the website on your Chrome browser. The name is qshop.ng. Alright, this is how the page will look like. It says sell to everyone and everywhere. Create your e-commerce website. So what we are going to be doing now, you click on this button right here that says start for free. You click on the button. Now you're going to register with this website. I prefer using my Google, but you can use your Gmail or your Facebook to register, or you can just use your email to register, whichever one you choose. So I'm going to use my Gmail to register. Alright, you click on register. They have sent a code to our email address. So what you will do now is go to your email address and copy the code, then paste it here and submit. Alright, I have copied the code from my email address. Now I will click on the submit button. Okay, click on this full name. Now you're going to put your full name and phone number. Your full name and phone number and your email address, and you click on next. Okay, choose the name of your store. Let's choose DGA Tech for the name of our store. Okay, that's the name of our store, and they say what do you sell. You choose the category of your store. Is it an art and craft? Is it baby products? Is it books and media? Is it beauty and skin? Whichever your store is about, just choose it. Is it food and drink? You choose what the store is all about. Let's select food and drink. Alright, we'll select food and drink. You select your country and the currency you want to be using. So you click on the submit button. Okay, now our store has been created. What you need to do now is to add your products. You can import from Instagram, add your Instagram account, or you upload the products by yourself. You click on the upload button to upload the products on the website. Okay, we've selected the image. You click on, once you select the image, you click on add. The image will be uploaded. You wait for it to be uploaded. Okay, yeah, good. This is the image. This one is the rice and beans. So you write the name of the product. You write the name of the product. Is it delicious rice or so? Depends on your product. Then you write the description of the product. Cooked rice for your stomach delight. Just describe the product. Then here you're going to put the price of the product. It's in naira, so this 100, this is 1,000 naira. And you put how many quantity you have. If you have, let's say 5 plates or 50 plates, you have 50 plates of rice. Then product tags, put rice. And is this a digital product? Okay, no, it's not a digital product. If it is a digital product, sort like courses, how to create. Those ones are digital courses, but this one is a physical product. So you click on no. After clicking on no, you click on add products. Okay, they say, can orders be picked up from your store? That means, can the person come to your store and pick it up, or do you deliver? If you say no, orders cannot be picked up in your store, or if it can, you click on yes. You put the address of your place here. You're going to put the address of your place. Let me just choose no. And do you do delivery? Those people that use dispatch riders to deliver their products, you click on yes, you do delivery. Now you select the states. You select the states that you do your delivery, so that it will not be too difficult for you, or the price of the dispatch riders. If you're in Abuja, you click on Abuja, or if you can still deliver to other states, you can put Nigeria. You can deliver nationwide. Then you put the amount of the delivery. Is it 1,000 naira or 600 naira for delivery? Then you click on save. Okay, payment details. How do you want your customers to pay you? Do you do pay on delivery? Do you pay with card, or do you accept bank transfer? Whichever one it is, you just select it. If it's payment with card, you select the country. You select the country, select the bank, and the account number. Okay, this place is to add the policies that you want for your business. You can put your policy that is, when the dispatch rider brings the food, they should not delay the dispatch rider. They should just pay him his money, and it should be on his way coming, or whichever policy you have, you put it here. Then you save it. You save the policy. Okay, let's preview our store. Let's preview the store and see the product we have on it. You click on preview store. Okay, you see the store. You see delicious rice, shop now. You see the price of the rice, 1,000 naira. We've added only one product to this. You can add as many products as you want. You can see the rice, very beautiful. You see the store is very okay, and you can put it on desktop mode if you like, but let's leave it here. So after this, after adding all your products and services, you can also add services here as well, which is digital products. So after adding all that, you click on go live. All right, the simplest way to sell your products online in Nigeria: select one, or select any one of our affordable options. You see this free plan here. We should use the free plan. The free plan is free forever. You don't have to pay anything to the website, but you can see all these ones. They have 2,500 naira per month. We have 25,000 naira per year, 6,500 naira per quarter month. But let's use the free plan. So this free plan, their policy is they'll take 4% of any transaction on the order that is being placed on your store. 4%. So let's choose the free plan. Then you click on subscribe. After clicking on subscribe, you see your store has been created. This is your store link. This is the link to your store. So you copy it, you can send it to your customers, or you paste it on your status for your viewers to see that you have a store and what you sell on your store. And you see this pending payments, pending order. If somebody orders something, you will see it here. You see it here, and the total order, that's all the order you've made since when you opened the store. You see it here, and also the sales you've made. You will see the price here. So that is how it works. You can view your order here as well. You can create others. You can link a domain name if you already have a domain, and this place you can add new products. We added only one product. You can add new products. Here you can add other categories. There we have food already. You can add clothes, you can add shoes and other fashion materials. And these payment details, you can edit it here. You can edit anything you want to edit. You can change your plan if you want a paid plan. Anything you want to do on your website, you can do it here. So let's preview it again. Since we've copied the link, let's paste the link and see how it looks like. Let's paste the link and see. Okay, wow, this is the website. You can see the rice is very neat here and everything is okay. If somebody wants to purchase now, he's just going to click on shop now. So this is how to create an online store for your business, be it food niche, clothing niche, or any niche you have, any products you want to sell online. This is how to create the store, easy and straightforward. You don't have to pay anybody to do it for you. You just do it for yourself and you start making sales online. If you're enjoying this video, click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop a good video like this. Thank you for watching this video up to the very end, and I dropped 2 valuable videos for you at the end of this video. Click on it and watch it. Thank you. See you on our next video. Bye.